Yeah, Jamil, please go ahead and introduce yourself.
Okay, myself, I'm Jamil. I'm 2017 pass out, and right now I have 4.5 years of experience. And my domain is in validation profile as I was a system profile. While I'm doing that, I was thinking about change my career into another level. Like I need some enhance my skills and all those things into automotive. So in that time, I just heard about the LevelUp course, and I did the course for 3 months. Last the past 3 months, I have done by the course, and it was actually very outstanding course. I can say that because I got 2 3 opportunities right now from different better companies, and right now I'm holding an offer of 8 lakh including my joining bonus also. So my CTC was previous my CTC was 5.4 something, and right now I'm getting 8.8 lakh CTC, and by help of this course I just improved my skills a lot. I have learned a lot more about the automotive industries. Whatever the things I can explore more in automotive, I got a direction. While we are considering automotive, that's a big industry. There is a lot of streams you can do, like software side also, hardware side also, hardware in loop, software in loop, software development, every it's a big domain. So you need a enhancement in your current domain where you should work, in your where direction you have to carry it out. What should you have to do? Or if you are stuck in some another domain where you are interested in automotive field, this course will be very good for you. It will give you a 100% of placement that I am showing you. I am the living example in front of. I'm sitting in front of you. I'm a living example here. So first of all, we have in doing time. I have a lot of confusions, lot of doubts. How it is going to work? What get I from this? There is not a written certification or anything. But don't worry about all this. There is a plenty of opportunities in automotive. If you are already working in automotive, it will be help you more because you will get a particular direction where should how you marketing yourself in automotive domain. If you are stuck in some another domain, that also will help you to level up your setup. If you are fed up with your current situation, current salary, current job role, like if you are contract basis, you don't have a permanent category jobs and all those things. So it will be must help you. I am a living example. There is not a. I'm not bluffing here for you guys. This is 100 percentage of success, and it's helped very much in my life. Past 4.5 years, I was stuck in. I don't know which direction I should choose. Already I am doing some testing and validation simple profile, and by this course I'm just enhanced with my skill and all those things, and I learn about the more tools that was used in automotive industries. So it will be a very useful for you guys.
Yeah, Jamil. So you would have evaluated other courses, right? So why did you choose LevelUp? What makes LevelUp different from the other conventional courses in the market?
uh, for me that actually I don't have a proper line because my professions was just scattered a little bit in network, little bit in validation, little bit in testing, like that, right? So I have already 4.5 years of experience, and if I'm putting my resume to some another company, so I should review my domain, which domain you have experience, like in microcontroller, like in network, or something else. So in 4.0, I have just my experience is scattered. Everything is it is just scattered, and it will be distributed anywhere. Like a little bit in about network domain, little bit in microcontroller domain, little bit in validation, little bit in testing. Like that was scattered. So I just choose this because I can combine all those things in level my all experience I just combined together, and I made an advantage of by the help of the level up course. I just made an adjustment and I combined this every my knowledge to a single domain. So that's why I chose level up. Before I am choosing this course, I was just I have a lot of doubts how I can go to I can how I going to join all those things. How can I represent myself in a single domain? Lot of confusions was there, but the courses helped me very much because my all knowledge it's accommodated in a single domain. So that's why that is the main advantage of the level up course.
Great. So Jamil, I think you spent five plus years in testing and validation domain. How was that
Hmm.
experience useful in LevelUp, and what kind of student do you recommend for this course?
Uh, Actually, why I can give my example why I am joined the level of course. My job was not permanent. There is no more working environment and no more work culture. Nothing was there. And as well as while I'm looking for my career growth, that is the main point. There was no career growth in that domain. So I have forcefully to do something about my career to level up my career. At that time, I learned about this course, and I will just talk with the sir, and he just gave me 100% of confidence to do this. Because once I started, if I'm starting, I have a lot of confusions, a lot of doubts. I will just stuck. But once I started, I can I can combine that what I'm learning from level up, that I can accommodate my current experience and all that. So that is a major part about this. And if you don't have a proper domain, or if you are fed up with your domain, a level up course will be help you 100% to be come out to the market price. Market price in the sense, in automotive field, you will be getting a higher priority jobs. Like you will have, if you are learning level up course and you are just joined in a company, and if you have started learning everything from there and you have worked there, absolutely after 1 or 2 months your salary become double. That's I can assure you, because in automotive there is a plenty of opportunities out there. I'm also having validation and system domain, but in that I'm also from validation domain. But while I done once I done the level of course, that will be more powerfully. I can market myself. That's a word should suitable here. I can market me actually. What is my actual domain? Where is my way? Everything is I learned by level of course.
Okay. So after attending so many interviews, do you feel whatever was taught in the course was relevant, and did it really help you clear the interview, or it was more of a very high level and superficial guidance?
No, actually, the interviews are first. Actually, for me, that is the first thing is your confidence. Once you learn, once what you put in your resume, that questions only you have to expect from the interviewers. For me, it took three interviews. First two was I did not get selected, but in three I just made myself, because first two interviews I just participated with a lot of confusions, lot of fears, all those things. But the questions was, that was expected question, but unnecessary. I just get worried and I just have a fear inside me. So that's why it took a third interview to crack. So other than no worries about your interviews and all those things, whatever you are learning, you just keep that learning in a current phase, then that will be more than sufficient, I guess. No more worry about the what you are asking the questions from the interviewer. That's not a big deal, because what you are learned, that's only they were asking. What you put inside your resume, that only they were asked. But you should aware about what you written over your profile in your resume. What you are put on, you should must you might have a knowledge about all those things. That's it. The interviewers ultimately checking that only. And they were plus checking, do you have any interest to adapt the new technology? Once any new technology or new implementations are coming to the industry, do you have a capability to learn that also? So these two things only they were looking for. The past 2 3 interviews, I just understood these things. And still I'm right now I'm also attending interviews, because I'm getting calls, at least three calls every day. So I'm not refusing those opportunity also. I'm just keep attending the interviews. I just checking where should I'm going to suit. Right now I'm already holding an offer. Plus I'm getting calls from better companies like TCS, Wipro, and all those companies. I'm getting calls. So I'm just attending that interviews also. So you don't want to worry about the interview and what question they will ask and all those things. You just study what level up you are going to teach. Just be ready for that only.
What is the success ratio of the students coming to level up, at least in your batch?
Actually, I guess seven people in my batch. So out of seven, six, all six are placed. Only one guy
Okay.
is left because the same things that I was told first enough. I took the third interview to crack. First two interviews are just unnecessary. I just got tense, then I got very fear about the things, what I'm going to say, what they will ask. But the questions was frequent questions are almost same, but unnecessary. I didn't show the enough confidence. That's why that I faced that problem. The same problem is happened with him also. I know him personally. I want to talk to him. So actually, he attended only two interviews only, I guess. So he will also come up to the by the help of the developers. He will also get a job.
Okay. So out of let's say a rating of 1 to 5, and 5 being the highest, how much you scale the overall experience and utility of this course for somebody like you?
Actually, I have to start with I'm not bluffing here. Out of five, it is five because I just tried a lot of opportunity with my profile. Means without using level up, and I put my resume in Naukri, I didn't get any single call. To be honestly, I have to say. But once I did the course and I just enhanced my profile, I changed in my everything, my resume, everything, by the guidance from the level up. I'm started getting called. First in the first 2 weeks, I'm not getting that much of calls, but while I keep updating my profile, I started getting all right now. Still, even after the holding an offer, I'm getting a three calls. So level for me, it is I am giving a out of five. It is complete five because without level of course, I just uploaded my resume in a Naukri, Shine, every job seekers site, but I didn't get any calls. But once the level up I did, and I modified my profile, I included my knowledge, my work area, everything. I got started getting calls, at least three calls in a day. And at the same time, the automotive industry right now looking for more people because there is a I can say that an explosion is going on for the engineers because a lot of opportunities are coming to here. So don't be late, guys. Don't worry about all those things like interview questions, how we are getting inside. Just study very well. Just keep going on and leave the rest of things to the level up. They will look after all those things. We don't worry about all those.
Okay. Okay, Zamil, thanks for the feedback and thanks for sharing all your experience. We wish you good
No
luck for
worries.
your future and your next job. Thank you.
So thanks a lot, sir.